Start with the deck of playing cards. An ordinary deck. Okay, let's spread these out. And Sam, pick a card. I'll show the camera. I'm going to shuffle, and when you say stop, I'll put the card in. Top. Card right on top. Okay. Say the magic word.
Shamrocks.
Okay. Alright, so your card should be blue. There it is. The blue card. The rest of these on the bottom. Now. Was this your card?
Yes.
Ace of Spades. Okay, now let's redo this in slow motion, just to show you what I mean. Okay, there's the Ace of Spades. Alright, say stop when you need.
Stop.
Okay. That is your new card. Now look. Now say the magic word. Say the magic word.
Shamrocks.
Okay, now the card should be blue. There's no blue card. Well, just look, since this is the only blue card. Was that your card?
Mm-hmm. It's magic.